Right, here's a 1,000 litre pressure washing system we put together. This basically gives the customer the option of using purified water from these two rear hose reels. He's also got 100 metres of high pressure hose should he be doing pressure washing. Let's just have a quick look into the side door. So it's a Ford Transit van. As I say, it's got two 500 litre tanks in there, making 1,000 litres in total. And we've actually given the customer the option of isolating or joining the tanks together, so he could fill them both up with pure water or both up with tap water, or split them. In the front of the tank here we've added in this JCB powered petrol pressure washer. So it's a pull start version. It comes with a 15 litre per minute 275 bar pump. We've also got room for a portable pressure washer at the front here, additional reels. We've put in 5 storage tubes hanging from the ceiling of the van, and that's going to accommodate equipment such as the window cleaning poles, or we're also providing a telescopic pole for roof cleaning as well, with an 8-inch stainless steel head on the end. So at the back here we've gone for 3 electric hose reels. These smaller reels hold 100 metres of 6mm internal diameter hose, and this thicker, wider reel that holds 100 metres of 3/8 inch hose. They're all motorised, they're all 12 volt. With the smaller reels they do come with an electronic brain on them, and this helps with overspooling, helps us to adjust the speed of the reel. Behind here we've got obviously the 2 tanks and our automated filtration system. So this is a 1,000 gallon per day RO system, fully automated. It comes with 2 20-inch pre-filters, a 40-inch horizontal RO membrane, and just through the centre gap here we've got an 11 litre DI resin vessel. Comes with a 12 volt leisure battery. We are charging that when the vehicle's driving around, and then the operators can actually utilise these controllers to talk to pump 1 or pump 2 when they're window cleaning, to make them faster or slower. So yes, if you're interested in a similar van setup for purified water and pressure washing, then give our team at Xline here a call. Thanks very much for watching.